Hello. It's poppin'. Okay. Yeah. Poppin'.
We gotta ask them.
Cause if we don't,
We don't know. Let's go. I'm Maria.
I'm Christina.
And together, we're the CM Bandits. On today's segment of our web show, we're going to do animal impersonations. Woo! Alright, Sticky, what do you want me to be first?
A giraffe.
Okay. My giraffe is pretty good. Get the leaves off the tree. No! Okay. Pig.
Oink, oink.
Next animal.
A centipede.
That doesn't make sound. Come on, Sticky.
A horse.
Hey. Okay, I want you to be a rabbit.
Hoppity, 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 skippity, scoppity, hoppity, scoppity, 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 hoppity.
Oh my god. You know the animal I'm gonna be? Juki.
Shut up.
It's supposed to be Juki. I'm Juki. I'm cool. Juki. Juki's not cool.
Oh, what else?
Mackie's cool.
Look at the shirt.
I'm gonna be a grazing gazelle.
Okay. And guess what I'm gonna be?
Bear.
Guess what I'm gonna be?
Oh, let's be sheep. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Pear. Can we be Mr. P?
Oh wait. You. Alright, we're out of time here. Catch us on our next segment, which will probably be tomorrow. Okay? Bye.